Welcome to this video, where we will explore why the 4s orbital fills before the 3d orbital when understanding electronic configuration. Have you ever wondered why the 4s orbital fills before 3d in electron configuration? We'll explore the underlying concepts based on energy levels, the shielding effect, and the penetration of orbitals. According to the Aufbau principle, electrons occupy orbitals in increasing energy. The n plus L rule determines this order. Lower, n plus L, means lower energy, so it fills first. For 4s, n plus L is 4. For 3d, n plus L is 5. Therefore, 4s has lower energy and fills first. The 4s orbital penetrates closer to the nucleus than 3d, leading to a stronger nuclear attraction for 4s electrons. The 3d orbital is more shielded by inner electrons, which raises its energy. This is another reason why 4s fills before 3d. Interestingly, after both orbitals are filled, 3d electrons are more tightly bound. During ionization, electrons are removed first from 4s, then from 3d. For example, Fe, A4 squared 3d to the power of 6, becomes Fe squared, Ar 3d to the power of 6. In summary, the 4s orbital fills before 3d due to its lower n plus L value. It also has greater penetration and experiences stronger nuclear attraction. Importantly, during ionization, 4s electrons are removed first.